Hi, my name's Tim, and today we're going to go over a new piece of equipment that we're using on ladder 46. It's called the Terra Tamer, which is a wheel that attaches to the bottom of the Stokes basket. This model requires a Stokes basket that has a full metal frame like this one does. This one is found on ladder 46. There's two parts to this piece of equipment. The first is the base. That is what the wheel mounts to. This is going to mount to the bottom of the Stokes basket. There's a couple important features of this base. One is it has elastic straps to it, so it makes it easier to quickly attach to the Stokes basket. Then it has ratchet straps to tighten it down. On the bottom side, it's stored with plastic, these black pins, which protect the mechanism. Once these are exposed, this portion of the frame gets mounted into this mounting bracket. The total weight of this Terra Tamer wheel is 15.4 pounds. As you can see, it has a brake attached, which will quickly attach to the frame of the Stokes basket. Now, when applying the Terra Tamer to our Stokes basket, we're going to flip the basket upside down, set the mounting bracket on the bottom. We're going to attach the two clips on this side. Now, they both have to be on metal. Once they're attached on that side, we can pull slack. Now we attach this side. We don't want any twists in our strapping. And like I said before, this is a continuous strap, so we can pull tension, and then we ratchet until tight. You're going to use a little bit of downward pressure and set that brake. We'll do the same to the other side. Downward pressure, set the brake. Okay, now our mount is attached to the bottom of our Stokes basket. We're going to remove the black plugs, pull out the pins. Now, when we're setting our wheel onto our bracket, we want to be cognizant of the direction of the brake. So the brake is going to go towards the head of the patient, which is going to be the boxed end of the Stokes basket. So I'm orienting my wheel this way. The wheel drops into those four holes. Then we set our pins. This brake, we're going to thread through the frame so that it doesn't, because it's quite a long cord. I'm going to thread through the side of our Stokes basket. So mix like this, and like this. You can see this clamp. So once we are flipped over, this is going to be down, facing the ground. Okay, and now we're attached. Good. Okay, now that we understand the functionality of this wheel, we understand how to apply the bracket to the bottom of the litter, I'm going to show how to apply it in the field once we have a patient on the litter. So as you can see, Duncan is strapped in. We've secured him so that he can't fall out. Then now I need to attach the wheel. The bracket, as you can see, the straps are already attached. It is under the litter and secure. As you look at the wheel, you're going to see that there's one side that has the brake cable coming out of it. We need to orient that towards the head side of the patient. Set the brake down, or the wheel down. As you can see, there's quite a bit of cable, and we don't want this to be caught or snagged on things as we move through our environment. So we need to thread this through these sidebars of the litter. Okay, and as you can see, this bar is curved. If I place the bar the brake too far over here, this will hit and not give enough throw to actuate the brake. So we need to be right in this section of bar. Okay, so what we're going to show you is a two-person lift. And the reason why we're doing a two-person is it is possible that we're going to be using this piece of equipment with only 2 personnel. Optimally, we want 5. We would do a 4-point lift, 1 on each corner, and 1 person in the center to set the wheel. But if you have only 2, this is the technique we're going to use. All right, go ahead. So one crew member lifts from the head. The second crew member, being cognizant of the brake line, attaches the wheel. Okay, and as you can see, as much as possible, we want to use underhand grip for 2 reasons. One, it makes it possible to activate the brake in a more ergonomic way. And secondly, in case we have a slip, we have our palm in the way so we don't accidentally drop our patient. All right, go ahead and work down the hill.